done Independence, and now we're here. We're getting ready to do Carnage, but it has been raining non-stop.
We're gonna go over and check it out anyway. We have a big time crunch. We have places to be, things to do, so we need to get this done. We have chosen Carnage Canyon as our number 4 hardest trail in Colorado.
I think that's about right. Being number 4, this is going to be rainy today. It's been raining all day. This trail is tough enough when it's dry. With it raining and the rocks wet, we're definitely going to have a challenge. A little bit of interesting history. There used to be a Carnage Canyon in Boulder, Colorado. Unfortunately, the trail got closed down before this trail was put in, so that allowed us to name this trail Carnage Canyon. Now, if you've ever done this trail before, you know that the traction in this trail is not very good, even on a sunny day. And with the multiple days of rain and raining on this day, it made it extremely tough. There it is.
The rocks are super slick. All of the sand is sticking to the tires and then pulling up on the rocks, making them even slicker. This is pretty insane that we're doing the 4th hardest trail in Colorado in the rain. It's pretty nuts here.
Exit has no bypass, winch required.
Probably the 4th hardest on our list, but since it's wet, maybe it moves up to number 1. I don't know. I guess we'll find out in the next couple episodes here. And what's up ahead, I don't know what lies up ahead there.
August sun, which is awesome. Hopefully it'll dry out the exit, because I'm nervous what that's going to look like if it's this bad here. Okay. Straighten out now. You can even turn your rear that way if you need to. Turn your rear that way. There you go. So when we were first establishing this trail, right here was a big rock, and we called it the can opener. And right as you drove up the V-notch, you'd hit that rock. It's just a big flat pointed rock, and it would take out your fenders every time.
From East Tennessee, land of the rock bouncer. That's all I know how to do. Alright guys, once again I've got my Onyx maps pulled up. In this scenario, I'm going to go ahead and track our coordinates here. What's cool about the Onyx thing is not only can you track, but let's say we find something like a mine, or if we find a obstacle that we want to come back to, I can hit tools right here. I can add a waypoint so I can come back to that later. I can make notes on it. And I can even add a photo. So let's say I want to take a photo from right here. Let's take a photo of that tree. Oh man, that is a really cool tree right there. I want to come back to that later on. So I'll add that as a waypoint. Save. So now if I ever want to come back to that tree, I know exactly where it's at right there. Back to the tracking. I've been doing this trail for 12 minutes. We've gone 0.2 miles, so that can kind of give you an idea. And it even has your speed right there. So we'll check back in later on whenever we finish this trail, and we'll be able to see how long it took us and how far it was. That's fun.
Well, we're almost to the exit. Matt must have brought Tennessee with him because it's raining again. And even the sun's out, but it's still raining. See the hood? This big rock on the left, that used to be the exit, the only exit, and you had to winch over it.
The sun came out and all this looks pretty dry, but it's not. All this is mud right here on top. but you're looking good. It's climbing.
I'm just saying. Even better, let's goose it up here.
Yeah, goose it. Whoa, your tire's starting to come around.
Alright, hook me up. Alright, there's that. Nice playing that game. Can't tell you how many times I've done this trail. Just drove through it. This has been a disaster. So, it's been a rough day. The sand is silty and sits on top of the rocks and already makes it hard for traction. This trail doesn't have as good a traction as most of the trails in the state. But then you add mud into the mix, that's a whole game changer. The trails we have ahead of us, we definitely won't do in the rain or mud. Like, that's just not gonna happen. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, right here. Front dig it over. That cliff? Yeah. That's good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 4. 4, 4, 4. You're not in 4. Put it in 4. There you go.
Ow!
Yeah, that'd be safest. Stop right there. Don't go any farther. Start turning front end downhill. There you go.
I don't think I'm built for that trail. Alright guys, celebratory Dr. Pepper with you if you're at home watching. Have one of these with us. Let me show you what we did here. We did it in 5 hours, 1.4 miles. So I don't know, somebody do the math and leave it in the comments how many miles per hour we were going there. I'm gonna post that for you guys. BleepinJeep was here. If you guys come to Carnage Canyon, use your Onyx, take a picture of yourself, and put that you were here.
Chinaman's is right next door. Do you want to run it?
We got some time yet. It's coming right at us, Josh. Oh boy. Is my hair good?
Right. Yeah, hair's great.
Rainstorm.
How about my hair? How's my hair look?
It's a, woo.
Okay.
Oh, I've never touched that before. The storm is coming, hurry!
Yeah.
Get it out!
The last video we did Independence Trail is rated a 4++ out of 4. Today we did Carnage Canyon, which is rated 10 out of 10. And it had been raining here for 2 days, plus 2/3 of the day today. We definitely got to see all 10 of 10. Make sure you guys stay tuned, because in the next set of trails, we are doing all trails that are above a 10 level rating.
Above 10.
So if you guys know what it is,
let us know
or you
down
say it. You
below
say
in the comments. And we've got more videos just like this one. So if you like this one, check those ones out over there and all that good stuff.
Thank you, Gate Man.
I am the gatekeeper.